In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed and play multiple audio tracks in PowerPoint. We'll begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to let the application load and get yourself ready to create an engaging presentation with seamless audio integration. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll want to navigate to the presentation you're working on. If you haven't already created one, now is a good time to open a new slide deck and get started. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Notice the series of tabs laid out before you. These are your tools for all kinds of modifications and insertions. Today, we're focusing on the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Insert tab is where you'll find options to add a variety of elements to your slides, enriching your presentation beyond just text and images. Look for the audio button within these options. It might appear alongside other media insertion tools like video or pictures. Clicking on the audio button will provide you with several choices. For this demonstration, we'll select audio on my PC. This option is perfect if you've already downloaded or have audio files stored locally that you're ready to use. Once you click audio on my PC, a file dialog box will open. This feature allows you to browse through your computer's files to find the audio tracks you wish to use. Take your time here to locate the right file, whether it's a favorite song, a sound clip, or any other audio element you'd like included in your presentation. Once you've found your selected audio file, click it, and then choose Insert to upload it directly to your slide. You'll notice that a speaker icon appears on your slide afterward, marking where this audio can be played. With the audio embedded, it's time to customize how and when it plays during your presentation. Head over to the Playback tab, which appears in the top navigation once your audio track is selected. The Playback tab is your control center for all things audio on each slide. Here you'll find various settings to tweak, but we'll focus on one crucial setting today, the Start option. Be sure this is set to in-click sequence. This choice ensures that the audio will play according to your clicks throughout the slideshow, allowing for a smooth experience rather than spontaneous or misplaced audio playback. Now you're all set with embedding and preparing your audio for effective playback. With these steps, you can sharpen the auditory impact of your presentations, guiding your audience with clarity and purpose. Remember, adding audio thoughtfully can elevate your presentation style significantly. Enjoy enriching your slideshows with sound.